Example 6, it says find the interest on a $1,350 loan at 3.5% for 9 months. So sometimes it doesn't specifically say what formula to use. So you need to identify the pieces that are given. So the loan is $1,350. So this is our principal. This is what we're borrowing. The rate, anytime you see that percentage, you always know that that's the rate. And then months. So we know that's our time. So then think they're asking us what the interest is, so we don't know the I. So we have I Prt. So that is our interest equals principal times rate times time. Right? So those are all the letters that we're looking for. So we don't know I. So first, again, as soon as you see that percent, change it. We can't do anything with that percent. We need it to be a decimal. So 0.035, and then also the time. It's in months. I can't do anything with months. I need to change it to years. So they're 9 out of 12 months. So my new decimal is 0.75 years. Now that we have our new decimals, let's plug it in. So we don't know the I, but we know the principal. The principal is at $1,350. We know the R, so 0.035, and we have our time in years already. So multiply that in your calculator all the way across, and you should get $35.44. So that's saying if we borrowed $1,350 at a 3.5% we'll pay it back in 9 months. We're paying an additional $35.44 for letting us borrow that money. Let's try number 7. How much interest will you have to pay for a credit card balance of $1,014 that is 1 month overdue if an 18% annual rate is charged? All right, so let's identify what we know. We know we need to find the interest, okay? So we have our balance, so that's the principal. That's how much exactly that we charged on our card. That's the principal. We know the time. Anytime you see month, that's our time. And then anytime you see a percent. So we are looking for interest, and we know the principal, the rate, and the time. So that is going to be our same formula. I equals PRT. All right, so we see that percentage. Can't do anything with that percentage. Let's change it into our decimal. And then also, it's not in years, so we have 1 month. So we need to change 1 month into years. So 1 divided by 12 is 0.0833. Now let's plug it in. So we don't know the interest, but we do know the principal of what we charged on our credit card. We know the rate, and we know the time. Multiply all the way across. So we are going to be charged an additional $15.21 for being late on our credit card payment.